Hey guys, this is Dr. Awesome with the Awesome Tech Doctor. My name is Adam, and this is the new MacBook Pro 16-inch with a bunch of specs that we'll go over in a moment. So this is my new workstation beast. It will be replacing the one truly beautiful custom build that I have. So I know some of you are gonna say, that's absolutely insane. Why would you do that? But that part of the reason is I need to learn more about Apple so I can continue to work with it with my company. And then as well, Apple offers a lot of software benefits and some other great editing tools and benefits that I would like to take advantage of, which my MacBook Pro 2012 late wasn't able to fully give me to the extent that I need to utilize it. So I have purchased this beautiful, beautiful thing. This beauty is a 16-inch Retina LED backlit display with true technology 3072 by 1920 pixel. It is a 2.3 gigahertz, 8-core Intel Core i9 with 16 megabyte shared L3 cache. It has a 1 terabyte PCIe based SSD with a beautiful AMD Radeon Pro 5500M with 4 gigabyte of GDDR6 RAM. It also includes integrated Intel UHD graphics 630. And of course, as we all know, it has 4 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports. So, there we go. Let's have some fun. I've had this beauty on my desk for a few hours, and it's been so difficult to work up the courage to pull the tab and open it. This is one of the biggest purchases, but of course my company is paying for this, so it's not too big of a hit, but it's still just crazy to have it in my hands, being able to hold it, touch it, smell it. That beautiful apple smell is like, it's like crack. There's nothing better than that apple smell when you open it. So, man. That went horribly wrong. I'm so sorry, guys. But that was kind of cool. There we go. Ooh. Oh, oh. Sorry about the shoddy camera work. One day I'm going to get a proper stand. One day, but till then. In case anyone ever wonders what I use to film, it is my iPhone 12 Pro, 128 gig, in the blue, which is a beautiful phone. So yeah, that's what I film on, but I make sure to film in 4K. So in case you were wondering, that's what I use. Wow. There it is. Wow. I guess I should open it. Wow, it's weird too. Ooh, man, it's opening. Oh my gosh. Oh, that sound of the seal. Oh. Oh. Oh, man. Oh. I'm going to smell it, guys. It has that beautiful apple new sealed smell. Whoa, it's heavy. Oh man. Oh man, that is heavy. So, of course, it has the USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Of course, underneath the pack there will be our beautiful, beautiful so here, designed by Apple with all the beautiful documents. I love some good documents, but it will have an Apple sticker inside. And then, of course, our ridiculously huge block. I thought my old one was big, but dear God, this is massive. I do actually have an extension, so I can make the cord longer, so I may do that, but I may not even need it, to be honest. But yeah, that's it. Don't use this to charge your iPad or your phone. You will ruin your battery. There's the cord. Oh man, I can't believe I've done this. Look what I've done. Oh, just kidding, guys. I'm packaging it all back up and sending it back. Ha ha ha. No, I'm kidding. Wow. That really is beautiful. Goodness gracious. Wow. See if it focuses. Copyright 2019. Ink, all rights reserved. And a number. Wow. Look at that. Woo. Designed by Apple in California, but made in China, like everything in the world. Sweet. Very cool. Very cool. Wow. Even the box has some weight. Snap. As they say, snap, crackle, pop. Or, I don't know, maybe that's just me. Oh, I love that sound. Ooh. There we go. Let's take a look at the meat and potatoes. There it is. Wow. That is a beauty. So, of course, there are two USB-Cs there. Oh, they're right here. It's backwards. So there's headphone, auxiliary, two USB-C, and the USB-C's there, and packaging galore. Here is the opening of the MacBook Pro. Ooh. Now that was a $4,000 sound of packaging. Look at that. There it is. Beautiful. Now to see her open up for the first time.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.